Here, Robbie Collectibles, looking at Hot Wheel Redlines that I got for my birthday. Thanks to my mom for buying these for me. Well, I picked them out. Today's my big 40th birthday. 40 years old. Which I got from ToyCarCollector.com, which I recommend if you want to buy Hot Wheel Redlines, Matchbox, etc. Here we have the TNT Bird Spoiler Series with white interior, very desirable. Look how shiny this base is. Wowee. Of course, they're made in Hong Kong only. And then we have these here. 36 Ford Coupe in green. Ooh. Looks beautiful. See, from 1969. Made in the USA. And then we got red. I don't think I have red or green. Semi-shiny base. Made in the USA. And then for free, David threw in these cool stickers. Wow. Hot Wheel Redline stickers. Thank you, David, so much. And the way he takes care of your cars, he puts in these blisters with paper towel to protect your cars from getting damaged. So I recommend David at ToyCarCollector.com. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.